Thutha athondeki a mikwa kana thinema anagoikio ngono hwaine hwaira riu Dennis Itumbi yanyitanire na a Kenya agikinyiria andiki acio marekererio wona ni wira wao mararutire ona kuhana uguo a Kenya amwe ni monekete kwaga kuiganira na ndumiriri ino ya Itumbi makimwira arie na nene ake imwe kwa imwe amere uguo thutha wa athondeki a mikwa kana thinema anagoikio ngono hwaine hwaira riu Dennis Itumbi ni anyitanire na a Kenya kinyeriria andiki acio marekererio kuona ni wira wao mararutire ona kuhana uguo a Kenya amwe ni monekete kwaga kuiganira na ndumiriri ino ya Dennis Itumbi makimwira arie na nene ake imwe kwa imwe amere uguo akorirwo akiugo gikuo ndumiriri yake. Arresting BBC journalist Mary for making a film is unnecessary. There is an alternative story on the violence and political planning that unleashed storming of Bunge and invading the armory at the Muslim. Make an alternative documentary, tell the other story. BBC told their story, let them be, free the journalists in my view. Na Wakenya mwena comment section matogretio no makoro makiugo na Honorable Carlos Derry talking ore these people behave as if they are not in the government. It's as if they are in their own small state separate from Kenya. Sasa anaambia nani hii maneno? It shows that they are not in touch and not commanding power and a Peter favor. This is a clear indication that they don't work as a team. Everyone does what he wants the way they want. Na Devi Wainaina kauga he could have spoken immediately after they were arrested na modo wetu Esther kuruka gocho Queen akauga sasa unatuambia tufanyeje sasa tutire akenu tiga gutuona tugege na modo wetu chege mufuto akauga he's a disgrace to his grandfather na Joseph Guri agaikia moho wake atagwetiga akora kiugo Itumbi is part and parcel of this drama. The guys were released immediately. He posted this na modo wetu Musa Moses akauga big wigs are surprised by their own fat. What a wonderful felony. Na modo oweto mimi Lydia it's said a clear conscience fears no accusation, but because our leaders aren't not innocent, that's why the best they do is to intimidate, to sell fear and silence the truth, which can never be buried entirely. Na kagonga kagogogori akaga they want to prove innocent while innocent as watching them. Kagoga Kagori akawa they want to prove innocent while innocences are watching them. And hana gaiko wakaribu muamini Itumbi send create a problem not to solve a problem. Na David Kamau hii Kenya surely inaenda wapi? Na modogo ito gunya TSK yaka home mchezo Itumbi tunauelewa sana. Go direct to your bosses. Sisi ukitushow unataka tukunyoshe nyeshe ama na Mnimrod Gedha yakauga akipost walikuwa wameachiliwa anatuenjoy na Ken Karanja dhua kwa reverse psychology at its best. We see what you are doing, what an amazing time to have life. Na mogo wa mwangia kwa Itumbi Ituberi ya Goma ni athi akamie na modo ogo ito Miriam Karonji aikoro akiandiko aikoro akiugo muhidi Aguero akaga but for me Itumbi sio yule wa kitambo. Sahi amekuwa mtu mzuri na Jerry Joy yakawa mind games na Edwin Wanji kwa Asme Arat hawa na kifo wako pamoja na mudogo ito Igweta Isai akaga mutikejete dimuonia uri ageko kiandikagwo na mudo ogwito Jackson Jerry Reri akauga hau no kwirutaho arerutaho mahadeto ni aramenya na Peterson Choba akaga thikama their own documentary, but since they know lies never wins against the truth, arresting them is better. And Abresi Wainoga akauga sasa sisi unatuambia tufanyaje? Just address your bosses directly. Nongwe ni nogwe tu mchezo wa town na pitanga kwa enone higa huyu ni hypocrite. Leto iria to ikoro ige tokinyira kwa ndege no yate thutha athondeki a mikwa kana thinema anagoikio ngono hwaine waira riu Dennis Itumbi ni anyitanire na a Kenya akehinyiriria andiki acio marekererio kuona ni wira wao mararutire ona kuhana oguo a Kenya amwe no monekete kwaga kuiganira na ndumiriri no ya Itumbi makimwira arie na anene ake imwe kwa imwe amere oguo. Hau no tugukorwo tugitigira mohoro maria magekoro magitukinya kwa ndege keno gukono kwa mwangi wa mohoro ni no ngwihoe na gitio kinene witikire gukorwo subscribe thini wa channel no itu nigetha gaikorwo kiamukira mohoro kirwa mbere hindi ciothe ria twagikorwo tugikira video ya maria maraikorwo magithie na mbere gukorwo magikunuka thini wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Ginya muthenya ungi nie njitekaga ta mwangi wa mohoro.